Juan Pools is constantly striving to be the cutting-edge fiberglass pool manufacturer around the globe. We've designed some pretty amazing pool shapes, all meant to enhance the quality of your outdoor living space. We believe that we've done it again with the elegant and very modern Sedona fiberglass pool. This beautiful pool is constructed out of a double-walled fiberglass pool shell. It's engineered to be installed above ground. This is something truly unique in our industry, and it's a key feature that sets our engineering apart from any other manufacturers. Very similar to the Canyon Lake, the Sedona provides a rectangular layout with a flat bottom design. Its small size of only 2,750 gallons ensures that maintaining this swimming pool is a breeze. Juan Fiberglass Pools is the oldest manufacturer of fiberglass pool and spa swimming pools in the United States.